Addinol, high-performance lubricants made in Germany. Customers all around the world rely on our innovative automotive lubricants, pioneering developments for industrial applications and their consistently high quality. At the company's location in Leuna in central Germany, we develop and produce our high-performance lubricants in one of Europe's most modern lubricant plants. Our quality and environmental management system is certified by internationally recognized organizations. The company's own strict quality standards are trend-setting. Base oils and the major part of the additives are delivered by tank trucks. Before raw materials are stored in one of the 20 outdoor or 45 indoor tanks, they have to undergo comprehensive incoming checks in the laboratory and pass an additional filter. As such, quality defects and impurities have no chance. The single raw materials are only stored in tanks specifically reserved for them. Each tank disposes of separate filling and emptying lines. Each of these tanks stands on 4 legs and has a conical bottom. That way, its complete emptying is ensured. Sludge formation is prevented efficiently and absolute product cleanliness is guaranteed. From each tank, there is a conduit leading to the central register. From there, the raw materials are forwarded to processing. In order to ensure that the raw materials for production reach the right blender, the central register hoses are connected over a dry clutch. This is controlled at the main computer terminal, where the correct tank for the respective raw materials is selected. The blenders hold 10, 15 or 30 cubic meters respectively. They are positioned on pressure sensors for exact dosing, and their largest part lies below ground level. At the monitoring station of the blender, temperature and quantities are indicated. The lubricant is blended for a precisely prescribed time span and heated up to a temperature between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius in order to achieve an optimal homogeneity of the oil. Only when a sample of the finished product has received its approval after a comprehensive analysis in the laboratory, the lubricant can be led into a storage tank. At Addinol, all products that reach the customer are analyzed at our in-house laboratory in order to guarantee that the products meet all specifications. The approved products are pumped into tank trucks, containers, drums, garage drums or small packages. Stored in a clean and dry environment, the empty packages are lined up ready for filling. Before the filling of a new product, filling plant and pipelines are flushed thoroughly. Exact filling quantities are adjusted according to the Euro filling standard. Each packaging is furnished with a safety lock and the product-specific labels. Batch number and filling date are printed on the package by an inkjet printer. The correct filling volume is checked again with scales. Finally, all containers undergo a visual check for leaks and the correct placing of the labels. Product name, batch number and filling date are printed on all cardboard boxes. The boxes are stacked on pallets and shrink-wrapped for their secure transport. To exclude intermixtures in the product, the packages filled first are subjected to a final analysis. The first bottle will be forwarded to the laboratory for examination. If everything is all right, the product can be shipped. Since the thorough inspection in the laboratory requires time, we can't wait for the results. Instead, the first pallet is stored separately. Thus, the packages filled first can be sorted out if necessary. In the Addinol Logistics Center, the packages then wait for their shipment. Each delivery is assembled at an area reserved for packing and finally matched with its delivery note pursuant to the 4 eyes principle. For shipments abroad, all customs formalities are completed correctly and then the products start their journey to the customer. At Addinol in Leuna, a reference sample is stored for each batch produced for 1 year. In addition to that, a sample from the final examination is stored for a 6-month period. All procedures are traceable, and the quality and environmental management system of the Addinol Lube Oil GmbH is certified by internationally recognized organizations for good reason. Addinol, high-performance lubricants made in Germany.